I started photographing when I was 18. My best friend was getting into photography, and I decided I wanted to as well. I was quickly hooked and soon found myself spending a lot more time photographing outdoors. I'm not sure if it's because I love the outdoors or I love photography. Eventually I realized I loved both. Photography is a deeply moving experience. Nature is magical, and to be amongst it is great for our mind and spirit. When I'm outdoors, I seem to enjoy a higher state of creativity and self-awareness. I feel there's simply nothing more enjoyable. I've been photographing professionally for over 30 years and have been blessed with an opportunity to photograph the landscape across North America and enjoy many wilderness adventures. My passion for the outdoors, nature, and adventure has turned into a thriving part of my photography business. As a result of some really fun, hard work, my images have been published in more than 1,000 calendars, many of the major outdoor magazines, product packaging, advertising, and much more. I once founded and later co-founded 2 stock photo agencies where I learned a great deal about the business while representing the work of several hundred other photographers. That first agency was purchased by a subsidiary of Getty Images and then later merged into the main Getty website. Eventually, my nature photography business led to some assignments where I photographed travel, wilderness adventures, and outdoor products for equipment manufacturers, and all while rafting wild rivers, going llama trekking, taking backcountry horseback trips, photographing wilderness lodges, and to this day, I'm still amazed I got paid to do it. It is this lifestyle that I've enjoyed as a photographer, along with my business experience, that's the idea behind creating this course. There are a lot of people like me that are passionate about photography and nature, and if that's you, and you have an interest in professional outdoor and nature photography, I can show you how to succeed because I've successfully lived it. This course takes a look at that passion we all have for the outdoors, the lifestyle, and the realities of the business. I'll show you how to make images the markets will want, how to find clients, how to price your work, and how to negotiate a sale. We'll look at photographing nature, people, adventure sports, and even products. And these are all the things that today's outdoor and nature photographer needs to know to succeed. I also cover how to organize your business, your image files, how to prep your files to be ready for the markets, as well as marketing, branding, websites, pricing, and assignments. They're all covered. We'll look at image processing, fun photography techniques, and how you can move beyond basic nature photography and into creating conceptual images that the markets want. It's all in this course, and it's all based on 30 years of success in the outdoor and nature photography business. If you're interested in turning your passion for the outdoors into an income-producing business, let me show you how.